How to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to recover permanently deleted Gmail account. Without further ado, let's get started. Open your web browser on your device. Navigate to search bar and type in Gmail account recovery. Now search for this website. You can easily click the first link titled How to Recover Your Gmail Account or Google Account. Scroll down and you need to look for Recover Your Account. Tap on that particular link. Now you simply need to enter the email address of the deleted account. Tap the next button and click on continue. Here you got the different steps to recover your account. You can easily go through this and then recover your permanently deleted Gmail account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.